Barron's just released a magazine cover predicting that the Dow will go to 30,000. Now, Wall Street magazines have a long history of being contrarian indicators. There's been a lot of ridiculous magazine covers that have marked the top or bubble or end of the bubble in many different markets. Barron's is no exception. Many of these magazine covers have been predicting like the new economy right before the technology bubble crashed. They were predicting gold going a lot higher in 2011, right before gold was smashed with paper price manipulation and other games. And Barron's is now predicting Dow 30,000. So do you believe that the Barron's magazine cover predicting Dow 30,000 is still a contrarian indicator of a over bullish, overbought market? Or is this now the sign with the major U.S. stock market indexes going up a lot, whether it's the Dow almost to well above 29,000, the S&P 500 well above 3,000, and the NASDAQ well above 9,000, that this is a melt up in stocks or Ludwig von Mises' crack up boom, and everything is floating on an ocean of liquidity, whether that's record amounts of share buybacks. There's been over $5 trillion in share buybacks since 2009, record amounts of margin debt on stocks, and lots of flight capital coming into the major US stock market indexes from a lot of other countries, in addition to all the fiat currency and credit that central banks have created. Historically, this is starting to look a lot more every day like the end of the 1920s. Around 1927, 1928, not quite 1929 yet, but a lot of similarities prior to the October 1929 crash. So what do you think? Do you think that these magazine covers predicting that something already in a clear uptrend will go higher is still a contrarian indicator and the sign of a crash? Or do you think that these magazine covers no longer matter because of the ocean of credit and share buybacks and central bank liquidity that asset prices are now floating on?